In Appalachia, there's a long-standing legend cautioning against whistling at night, believed to attract evil spirits, often referred to as them. Rooted in Native American folklore, particularly tales of wendigos or skinwalkers, this belief has been passed down through generations. While some versions claim that whistling can even summon the devil, the origins remain unclear, blending European settlers' mythologies with those of Native Americans. This legend gained popularity on TikTok, where stories were shared, including one about a woman who experienced eerie whistling and a mysterious pounding at her door after impulsively whistling. While many in the region adhere to this tradition, others dismiss it as superstition, noting there's no scientific evidence supporting the idea that whistling invites supernatural entities. Other Appalachian folklore includes tales of haints, relentless spirits, and mythical creatures like the Wampus Cat, reflecting a rich tapestry of regional beliefs. Regardless of personal belief, the warning remains. If you hear whistling, don't respond. Seek shelter and wait for dawn.